Welcome to this video on converting between mixed number fractions and proper fractions. Let's have a look at some questions together. In my first question, I'm going to convert 1 3/4 into an improper fraction. In 1 whole, there are 4 quarters. 4 quarters, add the extra 3/4 equals 7 quarters altogether. Another method is to take the whole number, multiply it by the denominator, 1 times 4 is 4, and then add the numerator, 4 add 3 equals 7. So once again, 7 quarters will be my answer. Here's a second question, 2 1/6. In 2 whole, there's 12 sixths. 12 sixths plus 1/6 equals 13 sixths. If you use the other method, 2 times 6 equals 12, add 1 equals 13, 13 sixths. Now let's work the other way round. Here's an improper fraction, 7/5. 5 fits inside 7 one time. So 5/5 is equal to 1 whole. That leaves another 2/5. So my answer is 1 whole and 2/5. Let's have a look at a final question. 3 fits inside 8 2 times. So that's 2 whole. So 2 whole would be the same as 6/3. I've got 2/3 left over. So my final answer is 2 2/3. Thank you for watching this video. You can find links to more resources in the description below.